before I begin with the mustache trimmer, I want to use the tip of my embroidery scissors, my curved embroidery scissors, and trim a little bit more at the tear duct area, which would be right here and right here. Just making it a little more defined right there. Tiny, tiny snips. Oops. That tear duct area is right about where we started with the rubber band when we trimmed using the rubber band as a guide. Okay. Now I'm just using the trimmer to just kind of lay down a line to further define when we trimmed using the rubber band as a guide. I'm just going in and kind of holding it there. Okay, my next step is I want to create the mouth.